I meet the coolest people in the world sitting right here in front of Angelina's Pizza. Hello, everybody. I'm Kit Carson, the Earl of Pizza, and tonight I have a gorgeous young lady with me. Yeah, look at that smile.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness. Tell everybody your name.
Everybody wants to sit with Kit.
Hi, my name is Chrissy Maynell.
Chrissy, where are you from?
I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri,
Oh, yeah.
but I live here on the island
You live here on the island.
for 4 years now.
Or has
And
it been the fastest 4 years of your life?
Yes,
Yeah, isn't it great?
it is amazing, and I love it here. I'm a realtor.
Okay.
I'm a Florida realtor, and I do property management.
Yep.
Yep. And
Wow.
it's my best friend's birthday tonight.
Who's your best friend?
Well, she's over there. Trisha.
She's hiding behind the tree.
She's hiding behind the tree.
I know where
yes.
she is. I saw her hiding over there. And look, here's Hannah. Look, there's Hannah. Yeah. See? You know, she set you up, didn't she?
She did.
She set you up.
She said you gotta go talk to Kit.
She so set you up. So you're a realtor here.
I am.
How's that going? How's the market right now?
I do mostly property management.
That keeps you busy.
It keeps me busy.
There's
I have
a lot.
75 properties. Yes.
Wow.
I'm very busy.
75 properties.
Yes.
So you from groundskeeping to the housekeeping, the whole 9 yards?
Yes. Maintenance.
How many staff do you have?
Airbnbs. I do long-term rentals, short-term rentals.
Wow.
All of it.
You do everything, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, Christy.
What do you do, Kit?
Whatever it is, I don't do it well enough. Not sure what do I do? Well, I make pizza.
This is your place?
This is.
Well, I love your pizza.
Well, thank you. And
pizza's
you know,
very
and I have some real estate.
You do?
Yep.
Well, if you need a property manager.
You know, one day I might. Right now, you know, I've been doing it for 25 years.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, I've been doing it longer.
Oh,
you know,
wow.
But I'm trying to get back into it.
Nice.
Yeah.
How did you open this place?
So this bar beside me is called Rick's.
Yes.
A guy named Mark Rossi came down here and bought it in December of '84. That's right, boys and girls. And his best friend, one of his good friends, and I went to college together. And I came down to help him run Rick's.
Wonderful.
And in the process, I moved from there to here.
And where are you from originally?
Well, that's a tough question, but I went to school at Troy, Alabama, the Harvard of the South. That's right. That's right. Go Trojans. I was born in Georgia, but I grew up all over everywhere. I lived in 100 places, but nowhere anything like this. I mean, I've been here since '85.
Key West, there's no place like Key West.
There is no place like Key West.
No.
And that's, you know, part of this whole show is we talk to locals like you that have been here 4 years, and you say, will you ever leave?
No. I tried leaving once.
Yeah?
And I came back.
And once you've been here, if you can figure out how to make it here, you just never want to leave.
You never want to leave.
Never.
It does something to you. The island energy is amazing.
It just does something to your soul.
To ride around on your bike at night and
Yep.
just
Oh my God.
smell
The
the
night blooming
lavender,
jasmine.
the jasmine.
Oh, man.
There's nothing like it. There's nothing like it, right?
You are
Nothing
so
like
spot
it.
on. I mean, I ride my scooter, and I will sometimes just go through all the neighborhoods really slowly.
Yes.
On my way home at 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
And just, the smells. It's just, the fragrance is awesome.
And I love getting
Awesome.
up early in the morning too. So I'll get up at 6, 7 in the morning
Yeah.
and ride my bike around when
Well,
there's no one on Duval
Yeah.
Street, and go to the ocean and take a
Yep.
swim. And
There's
there's
places.
nothing better. There's
Nope.
nothing better than Key West.
Nope, there's not.
It really
Nope.
isn't.
And it's funny, just today, I was going, where was I? Was it today or yesterday? I'm riding my scooter, and I didn't realize I was over like maybe United Street. And, yeah, I was going up United Street, and I look, and I don't even know, Reynolds Street, well, not Reynolds, but somewhere right in there.
Yeah.
There's where you can see all the way through to the ocean. There's no house at the end blocking it.
Yeah.
And I'm like, how did I not notice that?
Yeah.
And it's not Dog Beach, but it's somewhere over there by there.
There's always little things on this island that you have been by there 100 times, and then you see it for the first time.
For the first time.
For the first time.
Some things I see for the first time over and over.
Yeah.
You know, I ain't gonna lie. But I enjoy it.
It's
yeah,
true.
You know, it's
It's
great.
true. It's true. It's great.
we could brag about how we live in one of the coolest places in the world.
We do.
It ain't for everybody.
No.
You know, a lot of people be dying right now because it's humid and it's hot.
I'm very hot sitting with the lights.
Well, you know, we've got 9,000 degrees of lights here just blasting away, and it's what is it, about 83 or 85?
I look much better when the lights are a little dimmer, Kit.
Oh yeah, well, you know, that's a whole different show. It's not this show. So it's 86 degrees and it's 8:30 at night.
Right.
You know,
Yeah. No,
but there's a
it's amazing. The breeze is nice.
nice little breeze.
We just had a wonderful birthday dinner at Tavern in Town.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I have a friend coming in tomorrow. It's her birthday. My birthday's next week, so we got all kinds of Virgo birthday celebrations
Oh, you
going
Virgos,
on.
huh?
Yes.
Wow.
Lots of us Virgos on this island.
Handle that. It's pretty tough. That's a lot of Virgo.
We're the best. We're the best.
Yeah, Virgos aren't bad. Virgos are pretty cool. That's right. I said it. You guys are cool. Especially the Virgo women.
Well,
You know, they're a whole nother breed. It's true. I think every woman I've ever been
Does
with.
this channel attract single men?
You know,
Because I am single on
My-
this island all by myself.
my
Well,
demographics are it's kind of odd. You know, it's a really interesting mix of young and old, and men and women. You know, it's not all 12 to 15-year-olds, and it's not all 60-year-olds. It's a really nice staggered demographic, which, you know, hopefully there's something for everybody.
well,
and-
if you get any requests after this, you have to let me know.
What are you trying to say? You're single and you're not afraid to mingle?
Not afraid to mingle.
Not afraid to mingle. Well, you're in the right place. Wish you well.
Never a dull moment here on the island.
No. What is your favorite event here on the island? What do you like?
My favorite event
Yeah.
is actually something you probably won't think about. I love the film festival.
Oh, do you really?
I love the film festival.
Right.
I love it going to the San Carlos.
Yep.
And going to the Key West Theater and seeing the film
That's
festival.
coming
when
up,
it comes
isn't
on.
it? That night, like November?
It is, and I love the boat show.
Yeah.
And I love it when the lighting of the Christmas lights come on. December, the
Yeah.
holidays here are just amazing.
It is pretty special.
Yeah, it's very special.
It's nice because you don't have to bundle up in 9 layers. You know, that's the cool thing about it. It's
Yeah.
really it's different.
And you're not sweating like I am now.
It is. You know, it's 86 degrees and 9 million watts of light. So that's what we do here. We roast you, and then we toast you. Anyway, yeah, those are some of the greatest events. I love those. I love the holidays here.
Key West is never shortage on events.
No.
Like my friends, when I moved here years ago, said, "You're gonna be bored on this little island. What are you gonna do?" There's never a shortage of events to go on. You
every
can go
weekend.
on full moon bike rides.
Yeah.
You can go do yoga. You
Yeah.
can go kayak and
Yep.
paddleboard. You can go out on tours. You can go to the bars if you want to. You can listen to live music. There's never a shortage. My friend, I'm like, I am not bored, people.
No.
Never.
Never. There is somebody and something somewhere.
Always doing something.
Always.
Always doing something.
Yeah. Well,
Yes.
it is special, and we're a special breed because we live here.
Yes.
I mean, it definitely takes a special talent to live here, without a doubt.
Yeah.
So what else is going on with you?
Nothing, just preparing for our birthday weekends, hoping I
Here
survive.
we go, Virgos again. It's all about the Virgo.
Getting ready to go on a cruise in a couple weeks to St. Thomas.
Oh,
St.
really?
Martin.
Nice.
Yeah. I travel a lot, so I travel around the world, so I do get off the island quite a bit.
That-
And it's
well,
always
that
special
helps
when
out.
you come back.
Yeah. And I don't want to bash our airport, but for 40 years I've always loved flying back home and getting off and walking that tarmac and being hugged by that warm humidity.
Yeah.
No matter what time of the year it is, it's like,
Yeah.
oh my God, I'm home.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna have a stupid concourse and
And it
now
was
there's-
AC, and we can't go out on the tarmac
no,
anymore.
No,
I know.
I'm so disappointed.
It's time for expansion, though. You know,
I guess, you know, well, I
growth
think
and expansion for the
no,
island.
I'm just gonna start flying private.
There we go. I'll fly with you.
Perfect. Yeah, but you know, yeah, it is a special thing.
Yeah.
You know, I can't talk enough about how lucky we are to live here.
We are so lucky, and we
Yeah.
just had this conversation earlier. It's like, we may not be the richest people in the world, but you know what? We're rich. We live in Key West,
Yep.
and we get this experience
We're
most
blessed.
amazing things. We're extremely blessed. You got to be grateful for that every day of your life.
Yep. So, I know you said you're going on a cruise to St. Thomas. Where else have you been lately?
Well, I just got back from a cruise from Iceland,
Oh,
Reykjavik, Norway, Brussels,
Wow.
Amsterdam.
wow. How was that?
Oh, incredible. I never realized how much I love the mountains, how beautiful it is
Yeah.
there.
I miss the mountains and the trees. I ain't gonna lie. I miss that a lot.
Yeah, I do miss that. It's
But-
nice to get away and go see it and then come back.
True. You know, it's true.
Yeah.
All of the above.
Sweaty.
Yeah. Well, I'll let you run away in a minute. I was just watching you sweat. I ain't gonna lie. It's just my own personal thing. I work in an oven 24/7, so you know I'm used to it. I mean, I barely feel the heat anymore. Well, anyway.
Well, thank you. Thank you. It was a pleasure to meet with you.
It
and
was
speak
wonderful,
with you.
even though I met you like a week or two ago.
I think I met you a week or two ago. Yeah.
No, we did.
Yeah.
A couple of weeks ago, maybe, at most. But it's great to meet you again.
It's a pleasure.
And
pleasure.
as the #1 pizza shop show on the internet, I have to ask you one pizza question. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Well, it's not that tough. It's really easy. If you were a pizza, what kind of pizza would you be?
Pepperoni.
Oh. Oh. Pepperoni.
Pepperoni
Whoa.
for sure, all the way, all day long.
All day long. I like the way she said that. I don't know what that meant, but hey, pepperoni it is. Well, on behalf of myself, the staff here at Angelina's, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It's Sit with Kit. Like us and share us. My production crew, I want to give a shout out to Tim, Randy, and Jade. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great night. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye.